Hey everyone, in this quick Instagram video, I want to show you this new Instagram update that lets you make your own selfie sticker inside of Instagram. Now this is brand new. I only have it on one account. So this is what you got to do. You got to update your app. And if you still don't have it, you just have to wait a few days for this to get to more accounts. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Jump into your Instagram profile, press the plus sign right on top here, and we're going to create a story post. Now you could upload a picture too, but I'll just take a picture with my hand in front of the camera. Let me go ahead and press the sticker icon right on top. And this one looks like this selfie sticker right here. Click it, and this is how it works. It puts your face right here inside of it, and you have different animations here to choose from. So you could see a few of them here. And then you have a timer option too, so you could press timer if you want this to count down. And then once you pick one that you like, I'll just choose this one here. Go ahead and press this boomerang icon. It's going to give you the countdown, and you basically want to do a movement because it's a boomerang. So now you can see that's what it's going to look like. And now I could go ahead and retake it. I could press the up arrow here to create a story post with it, or I could save it as a sticker too, and it will always show up under my stickers tab. As usual, I could go ahead and resize it with 2 fingers and even add more things to it, like another sticker here. And I'll use it this way. And this time, let's save this sticker, and it shows up on the bottom. So anytime, I could go ahead and choose that save sticker here and place it somewhere within my image. I think it's a pretty cool update, and since I make update videos on this channel on Instagram every single time they have a new update, I thought I should make one on this too. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.